What's going on? We are standing in front of a 2017 Fleetwood manufactured home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. The asking price is $179,000. We are in Kingsway Gardens, which is a family community. It's a beautiful community it's very well maintained. All the residents do have very well maintained yards. This home, we're gonna walk around here to the side. It's got the brick masonry skirting. That's some upgraded value with the planter. Not all the homes do have these. So it adds some character, some great curb appeal, adds some value. Also, take a look at these two eyebrows. They did a great job adding more curb appeal with the columns and the window trim. You also have that gray accent, which looks very nice. Over here we have the cut corner, which makes it nice. You have these 3 windows as you're staring out of the kitchen. We'll be showing the kitchen at the end of this video, so we'll show you what that looks like. Now let's take a look around. This is a beautiful home. Make sure you stick it out till the end. If you're new to the channel, we premiere new and pre-owned manufactured home tours on a weekly basis. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting the like button. Subscribe and ring that bell. Sneak peek to the inside. We're going to show you that at the end. I don't know if what I said prior if I repeated myself or not, but take a look at this backside area. We have this low maintenance rock gravel. You can probably hear my feet. And they made a nice patio area over here with 2 chairs, 2 tables, end tables. Let me get you a different view. We have this nice fence along this wall. This is a beautiful space, nice big corner lot. But take a look at this. You get a little bit of your own privacy back here. So that's nice. And as I'm walking around this home, it is in great shape. It's a 2017 Hardy board Semplink siding. And now let's go in through this door. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. We will get back to all your questions or do our best. You can also contact us at 866-720-2207. Here is the laundry room. Let me get a little better angle. Side by side washer and dryer. Overhead cabinets with a little hanging rack. That's always a nice feature. Some extra room right here. You can fit like a folding table for your laundry if you'd like, or put a cabinet in there for more storage. Let's go inside. This door is a nice option. It makes it more quiet for the rest of the home. So first we're gonna go over here. This is a very wide hallway. It's very nice. Get a wheelchair in there if you need. But it's very open, which makes it seem much larger. And your typical long, narrow height hallways in these manufactured homes. So it's nice to have them nice and wide. Here's your 3rd bedroom. It's large enough you could fit a queen or king bed and tables. This is a very large room. These are cathedral ceilings, so it's nice and tall, adds more space, I feel. And this is really nice laminate flooring. I didn't show you this before, but it's really nice laminate flooring, linoleum. And take a look at this bathroom. I got this new gimbal here, trying to figure it out, but take a look at this. Hardwood countertops, laminate countertops in hardwood cabinets. You have your walk-in shower. And now we're gonna go over to this bedroom. I really love the main living area. It's nice and open. You're gonna love it. Here they have some bunk beds. Let me get over here for you, try to get you a different angle. Angel fans, go Angels. All right, let's go into the master bedroom, and then after that, we're gonna be taking you through the main living area. Oh, there we go. Check out this large master bedroom. They did a great job with this master bedroom. You have a nice large walk-in closet. Boop, there we go. Nice large walk-in closet. All right. And now let's get in here. I'm standing in this closet to give you a better feel for this home. This is a very large room, nice ceiling fan, and I love this bathroom. This is one of my favorite bathrooms. You have two sinks, his and her sink, his and his, whatever you like, a garden tub, and you still have a walk-in shower. And take a look. There is no poop room. If you watch my videos, you know the poop room. Get a little bit more privacy when you take a poop. And here is the shower, the walk-in shower. So now we're going to the good stuff. Now we're going back out here. Again, tell us what you think. What do you think about this flooring? What do you think about these cathedral ceilings? A lot of times on the channel now, they're all 9-foot flat ceilings. I like walking into these cathedral ceilings, but take a look. What do you think about this kitchen? I love these open floor plans. It makes it so it's a great family home, great entertainment home. You can have your friends and family over. But check that out. You have this nice kitchen island. They even built this breakfast bar. A 2-person breakfast bar. That's something they did after. What a great idea. And here's where, I'm not going to do it, but if you watch Chase, look at the tile backsplash. That looks great. And finally, if you watch Chance's mobile homes, we got a pantry. You'd probably be doing the pantry dance, but I'm not going to do it. That's his thing. I think it's awesome that he does it. It's really cool. He's funny guy. But hey, this is it for this addition to the Manufactured Housing Expert. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. See you next time.